Welcome to Malibu! Today I'll show you a beautiful pool-front studio just steps away from the beach. And here on this terrace, you can enjoy beautiful sea views every day. Though this is a studio, the smart square layout creates a surprisingly spacious living area, with a finish quality that feels absolutely premium. This kitchen perfectly completes the living space, with a granite worktop and quality built-in appliances. You'll find the same premium quality in both the bedroom and bathroom, with elegant finishes throughout. Located in Malibu, one of Carrington's most popular beachfront projects, this apartment offers strong short-term rental potential, communal pools, a fitness center, a restaurant, and access to a beautiful sandy beach. For availability, pricing, and a private viewing, contact Carrington today.